you like this video, if you like this makeup look, just keep watching. Ooh. Hey, what's up you guys? It is Taikina Beauty. I am back with another video for the holidays. This is one of my second holiday glam looks. I will be bringing out more for you guys, even some you can do for the new year. I'm so excited to show you guys those videos. I absolutely love this look. If you don't know it's Snowflake, now you know. Easy, simple. 1, 2, 3. Gonna do this side and let you guys see how simply easy it is. So let's get started. So I'm doing my whole look from this model owned palette. This I believe was the holiday palette. Well, holiday, they call it Wonderland palette. Very good colors of blue, silvers, whites, and purples. And I think they look beautiful together and it just gives you that Christmas feeling. So let's get into it. I'm starting off with this color that I adore so much, Eternity. It's like a grayish purple. Gonna put that on the lash line. This palette was reasonably priced. I believe it ran for $13 to $15. I think I got it on sale for $12 because I bought this in the summertime, but I use colors like this on an everyday basis. You can get model-owned palettes from ULTA. Next, we're gonna go in with that blue that's right next to it, and that's the color Angel. Gonna put it above Eternity. And while we are putting it above, we're gonna blend it out so it can look like it's seamlessly blended. I bought a new blush from ULTA and I don't know if I like it. I needed new blush colors, so I don't know. We gonna see. So now I got that a little bit blended out. We're gonna go in with that dark color at the end. This dark color is called Paradise, and when you put it on, you're gonna be feeling like you are in paradise. Corny, I know. I'm kidding. So I'm gonna put this into the crease, under the brow bone, and I'm going to wing it out. That's been like my whole thing, winged color looks. I really like it. I don't know if there's a name for it, but I really do like the look of it. Putting more color. Woo! I have like freaking oil in my eye. So now we have that on. I'm going to take that silver color here. It's called, that silver color is called Sparkle. That's a good name for it. And I'm just going to take a more flatter brush and just connect it from under here. And just let that be the bottom. I didn't want to put anything dark under here. I just wanted something different. And I've been liking silvery glitter colors under the eye. Now that we have that, it's time to make the snowflake. Woo, let me tell you, I was angry because I bought a liquid liner pen, not this little dip. And I was trying to make a snowflake with it and it was not connecting. It looked crazy. So now we're just gonna draw a line. I'm not gonna make this snowflake similar to this one because no two snowflakes are alike. I'm just gonna start with a one flick down there, then kind of like connect that line. Look like a clown. Then I'm gonna draw another one right here. See how it's like connected? Then I'm gonna make that last one at the bottom, right there. If it's not perfect, that's okay. Snowflakes aren't perfect. Creating makeup isn't perfect, so that's okay. So I absolutely did see a snowflake. I feel like this is not on its P's and Q's. So I'm gonna extend that out. I did Google some images of snowflakes, and I seen a snowflake that looked like that. So I'm gonna draw, it's supposed to be a circle, but if it's a square, that's cool too. Snowflakes always have like that little spiky spikes. The lines don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be Picasso, because if you can't tell, obviously I'm not. There we go. It's definitely coming together. Ew, crap. And if you mess up, again, that's okay. I feel like that's the cool thing about snowflakes. They just have their own look. Now once you finish and let it dry, you can just go back and touch up on what you think needs to be touched up on. Next is the glitter part. This is optional. I just like it because I think it just makes it look very winter wonderlish. You can take a angled brush or just a flat brush. I'm going to go with this because I'm going to use the glitter with this. For the glitter glue, I highly recommend a glitter primer, also known as a glitter glue, because it will make the glitter stick. Learned my lesson about glitter primer as well. You have to let it dry. You can't put it directly on. It will look really weird. Very happy my eyelashes are growing, y'all. So this is a step. This is peak tie. I don't want this glitter glue sticking everywhere, so I am trying to be as precise as possible. And if you can't, that's okay, but that's why I'm more dabbing instead of swishing it through, because that helps you put the glitter glue, the glitter where you want it to be. Gonna go in already with the parts I feel like are already dried. This is the PRISM. You've seen this before with the glitter liner video. This is by Impulse Cosmetics. I love her. This is the person who makes the makeup. Her name is Chelsea. Very cool person. Very sweet and very hardworking. She makes the makeup all on her own. And I believe that's absolutely insane. I'm gonna clean up that glitter. The glitter makes it look definitely more winter wonderlandish. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean it up. Definitely be careful how much you pick up. Yes, it might be time consuming if you take little by little, but it'll definitely be worth it. You don't want big chunks. So cool. Alright, there we have it. We put the glitter on. Now I'm gonna clean off the parts that the glitter shouldn't be on. Ooh, crap. If you have nails, you can definitely do this part. If you don't, just take a brush and clean up where you should. That's just gonna be the special one, and that's okay. That's okay. With Model's Own, their mascara. This is the Grandmaster Lash Mascara. I like the brush a lot. It's like very Christmas tree-ish looking-ish. Always put your mascara on last so you can get rid of that color, especially when you're applying liquid eyeliner. This is my favorite look of 2018 for sure. Doing it from that side so I can get rid of the white that I still see. There we have it. This is the look. I'm gonna put blush on this side. I'm using the ULTA Stargazer. This blush is definitely questionable because I don't know if it looks good on me, but we're gonna try it out anyways, so that's okay. This is my favorite brush in the whole entire world. This is Sonia Koshek. This is doesn't have a name what it is, but I believe it's a foundation brush. I adore it. I think it's so cool. I love it. I use it multi-purpose for everything basically. And what I have on my lips is the Wet Cherry Gloss by Lime Crime. I got it for free for their, I believe it's 12 Days of Christmas. Love this stuff a lot. I like this. This is in the color Cherry, Naked Cherry. Yeah, Naked Cherry. This is more like a pink nude on me. I don't like pinks, but I like this. So I think it goes great with this look. I didn't want to be too matchy this time, since I was last time. It's so weird. I feel like colors like this look very bad on me, but for some reason this formula looks good in my skin tone, so I highly recommend that. And there we have it. This is another holiday look. I freaking love this. I went out with this on and I got so many compliments. Super easy. Using like 3 shades on your eyes and then like liquid liner and glitter. Pretty easy. So if you do like this look, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't joined my giveaway, you should watch my video that I did do on my giveaway. I'm giving away 2 products. They're really awesome. Great for this holiday and for the winter season right now. So yeah, you have to watch that video to see what it is and how you can win. It's pretty easy. I will link that in my description box. I will have the products that I use in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. See you guys later.